Hello, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Shahid Qureshi and I'm here today with a sheep. And my students that I've been teaching entrepreneurship keep on asking me, Dr. Shahid, we don't feel that enthusiasm and energy to pursue entrepreneurship. And I ask them, let's do a sheep exercise. When the sheep gets up early in the morning, the sheep says, and in the afternoon, evening again says, if I ask Mr. or Mrs. Sheep, what can you introduce yourself? It will say, and we ask Mr. or Mrs. Sheep, can you tell me what do you want to do? What is your purpose of life? It will say, so this is always revolving around his or her food, around her needs. We say that purposeful entrepreneurship, the entrepreneurship plus model is not about me. It's beyond selfishness. Whatever idea, creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship, it has to be for me, for my family, for my community, for my country, and for humanity. Let me elevate my thinking beyond myself, beyond selfishness. If you want to learn Entrepreneurship Plus model, join this course. It will help you to discover opportunities which can help make this world a better place to live. Let's help ourselves, help humanity.